Morning, everybody. I'm up at this time of the morning on a Saturday for what? Oh yeah, my little Grumman. It's time to pick it up. I wish I had some video of us pulling it out of the mud hole it was in up a hill, but I don't. You can clearly see the mud all over it in the videos. And here it is, loaded up, dwarfing the trailer. Oh, look at here. Check it out. Pull it with the Toyota. We got Marcus over here. He's whooping it with a Wonder Yoda. Ain't that something? Look at that.
I can get a picture. Like that truck look big.
Yeah. The Toyota's pulling it just fine. We got the little Grumman Kurbmaster or Curbmaster home. Check this thing out. I appreciate buddy Marcus for hauling this thing home for me. We're gonna pull these shelves out, clear it out in there. This thing is in pretty good condition. It needs it needs cleaned because we had to pull it out of a mud hole down a hill. And thank God that Marcus had a good winch on his Toyota, because that's how we got it out. I got it home and pulled the doghouse off of it and pulled the air cleaner lid off, and this is what I found. I believe something's been living up in here. Anyway, I'm gonna get that cleaned up, try to vacuum it out, and see if I can throw some gas to it and get it to fire up. This thing is cool. Curbmaster, check that out. Like I said, it needs a little TLC and some elbow grease, but I think I'll have this thing running before long. It's a 77, so it's got HEI ignition on this little 292, and it's made it up to a 400 turbo heavy duty automatic transmission. People keep saying lower it and drop it and slam it and all this. I don't know. I kind of like it the way it is. It kind of looks stocky. We'll see. All right, so we got the little step van home. Got the carburetor vacuumed out of the rat's nest that was in it, and I got a little bottle of gas running right here. see. That's what she does. Oh, 292 runs. Also cleared out the back box. Just been working on it. It's still dirty. It's doing pretty good though. I think this thing's gonna run just like it is. Let's check it out. Yeah. That's what I done today. What'd you guys do?